Good morning from one of South Florida's most beautiful spots. We are standing on Las Olas Beach in Fort Lauderdale. The sun is just beginning to peek over the horizon. It is painting the sky in soft shades of orange, pink, purple. The world is quiet right now. The only sound is the gentle rhythm of waves kissing the shore. This is a magical time of day here. It feels like the entire beach is waking up with you. The air is fresh and clean, carrying the distinct salty smell of the Atlantic Ocean. It is a scent that promises adventure and relaxation all at once. Imagine standing here with your toes in the cool, soft sand. A gentle breeze rustles the fronds of the tall palm trees that line the shore. This is not just any beach. This is Las Olas Beach, a place where the city's energy meets the ocean's calm. The boardwalk, still empty, stretches out before us, inviting a morning stroll. The water shimmers as if sprinkled with diamonds. You can see the first few early birds out and about. A lone jogger runs along the water's edge. A person practices yoga, facing the rising sun. This is the peaceful side of Las Olas Beach, a serene escape before the crowds arrive. It's a moment of pure tranquility. In the next 15 minutes, we are going to explore this incredible place together. Think of this as your personal video guide to Las Olas Beach. We will show you everything that makes this spot a true local gem. We will watch as the beach transforms and comes alive with energy and excitement as the day goes on. Our tour will cover the best of Las Olas. We will take you on a journey from sunrise to sunset. We will point out the local cafes where you can grab a delicious coffee. We will wander down the boulevard and peek into some unique boutiques and art galleries. You will see people enjoying the water, playing volleyball, or simply soaking up the Florida sun. We will share the spots that locals love, the hidden corners you might not find on your own. We will also give you practical tips, like where to find parking, which can be tricky. So, get ready to dive in. Let the tour begin. As the sun climbs higher, the peaceful morning vibe begins to change. The gentle quiet is replaced by a vibrant, cheerful energy. The beach is now a lively stage filled with people from all walks of life. The sounds of laughter, music, and excited chatter mix with the constant rhythm of the waves. The boardwalk is now a bustling promenade. The iconic wave wall is a popular spot for photos. People watching becomes a main attraction. You can sit on a bench and watch the world go by. This transformation from a quiet haven to a bustling hotspot is what makes a full day at Las Olas so unique. When you need a break from the sun, just across the street from the sand, you'll find a row of inviting cafes and restaurants. They serve amazing iced lattes, fresh fruit smoothies, and for lunch, you can't go wrong with the fish tacos. A short walk west from the beach takes you onto the famous Las Olas Boulevard. This is the city's premier street for shopping, art, and dining. Wander further and discover a thriving art scene. Small galleries line the street, showcasing vibrant paintings of seascapes and sculptures made from driftwood. Nestled right next to the bustling beach, you will find a peaceful patch of green. This is Las Olas Oceanside Park, a wonderful local gem. This park is an ideal place for a family picnic, offering a shady escape from the intensity of the sun and the crowds. As the afternoon sun shines brightly, the ocean itself seems to come alive. The water is most inviting, offering a refreshing escape from the heat. Further out, you might spot people gracefully gliding across the water on stand-up paddleboards. If you did not bring your own gear, do not worry. There are several rental options available right on the beach. The energy on the sand is just as high. Near the southern end of the beach, you will almost always find a lively game of beach volleyball in progress. Families are also making the most of the perfect sand. You can see elaborate sand castles being constructed near the water's edge. Enjoying all the afternoon activities is easy, especially since safety is a top priority here. Always swim in sight of a lifeguard tower. Staying comfortable is also crucial. You can rent an umbrella and chairs to have your own shady spot set up for you. Public restrooms and outdoor showers are readily available, making it easy to spend the entire day at the beach. This allows you to relax and focus on what you came here for, to enjoy the beautiful ocean, the warm sun, and the vibrant atmosphere. As the afternoon's vibrant energy begins to soften, a new kind of magic descends upon Las Olas Beach. While the sun itself sets over the city to the west, the sky above the Atlantic becomes a magnificent canvas. The mood on the beach shifts. The sounds of lively games are replaced by a more subdued and romantic ambiance. This is an incredible time for photographers. The soft, diffused glow of twilight is flattering for portraits and creates a dreamy quality in landscape shots. It feels like the beach is exhaling after a busy day. This is the perfect time for a quiet stroll as you watch the last sliver of color fade from the horizon. As darkness fully envelops the beach, the scene shifts across the street to Las Olas Boulevard, which comes alive in a completely different way. The casual daytime cafes transform into elegant and lively dinner spots. The atmosphere becomes sophisticated yet relaxed. For a memorable seaside dining experience, consider a restaurant right on the A1A, offering stunning views of the moonlit sea from its expansive patio. After dinner, a final, peaceful stroll along the now quiet beachfront is the perfect way to end your day. This calm, contemplative walk allows you to reflect on the day's adventures, completing your perfect journey through the paradise of Las Olas Beach. Our journey from sunrise to sunset at Las Olas Beach has shown us the many faces of this incredible South Florida gem. It is a place where you can find both serene tranquility and vibrant excitement. We hope this tour has inspired you to come and experience this paradise for yourself, and that our tips make your visit as seamless as possible. We have only scratched the surface of what Fort Lauderdale has to offer. If you enjoyed this deep dive, we would love for you to join our community. Please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel. By subscribing, you will get access to more videos just like this one, where we explore the best local spots from around the world. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful day at Las Olas Beach, and we cannot wait to see you on our next adventure.